Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Jaguar XF. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jaguar are offered, including leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, power front seats, a headlight cleaning system, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and much more. Jaguar ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.